What I want to add to it is, first of all, the quantity. So I want to see the quantity. But remember that the quantity is basically the variable quantity, or QTY, is an integer, as you can see in here. Okay, so maybe I can use the txt quantity dot get text, or I can use this quantity integer, but I need to convert it into a string again. So it will be something similar to this. I will copy that. So my order is equal to my order, whatever it had in the beginning, plus whatever you have in the text a field called txt quantity. Okay. And before I continue, before I add more stuff, what I want to do, I want actually to show this a dialog that has the text area in it and see how it's actually working for now. So before I continue with more calculation, I will just go to my dialog, and remember the name of my dialog was, where did I put it? We called it DLG, so it should be right here, DLG results. This is the J dialog. So I need this DLG results, and I want to do something similar to what I did in the text area. I want to set the location, I want to set the size, I want to also set the title. So I want to have a title for this dialog, and I want to make sure it is visible. So right now I will do that, DLG results. So this is the dialog dot, and I will have some help from NetBeans. I will start with the set title, and I will use the title order summary. I will copy this because I'll be using it in the next few statements, and then I will set the location using the set location method, and I will choose the location to be 500 from left, 300 from top, again x-axis and the y-axis. And now I will set the size, and I will choose the size to be a little bit bigger than my text area, so I would say 305 and 305 in here. And finally I will make it visible, so I will say set v for visible, and this takes in a boolean. The boolean is a value that is either true or false, so I will just simply say true. Yes, do make it visible. Okay, let us play. No errors, it compiled. Right now I have milk 2.5, quantity is 4, show order. Of course I don't have any information about my order, but I do have my dialog with the title order summary, and I have your order, and I have the line that I used, and in here I will have my orders. Okay, so everything is working, there are no errors. I will exit and I will continue. Okay, so my order is equal to my order plus the text quantity, which is the text field dot get text, and I will add after that a space, and then I will add the product. So I will use the concatenate operator, the plus sign. When it's used with strings, it's called the concatenate operator. Okay, and I will simply put space again. So now I have the quantity. Now I need the product. So I do have a string called product. So I will say product plus. Now I need, after the product, I will just have another space. So I will add a space, and then I will put a dollar sign, because what comes next is the price. So maybe we want to put it inside brace. Okay, so let's say dollar. Okay, and again the concatenate operator. After that, what I want is the price. So again, I can use the text field and get the price from it, or I can use the price and convert it into a string. To do that, you need string dot value of, and inside the argument of value of method will be the price variable, which is a double. But I will not do that for now. I will just get it from the price. So plus this. Okay, so I have my price. I will add another concatenate operator, and I will add after that. So I do have my price. I just need to close the bracket that I open, or the brace. And right now I need to see the subtotal, which is the price times quantity. And I've actually already have a variable called subtotal, so I can either use it or I can use price times quantity. However, I will use it. That's why I have it, subtotal. And right now I will show you how we use the string dot value of. So this is a calculated amount. I have a space here. Yes, I do. There it is. Okay, and right now I will add one more concatenate, and I will say let's use the string class and use the dot value of, and as you see I have a bunch of them. So I will use the double, because what I'm putting in there is a double, which is, it already recognized one of them, the price, but I'm using actually the subtotal. Okay, so this is my order. And just one last thing, I will add a line break. So basically I forgot the concatenate operator, so plus, and just add in here /n.